Let's learn the A to Z food. A is for apple. Apple. B is for broccoli. Broccoli. C is for cake. Cake. D is for donut. Donut. E for eggs. Eggs. F is for French fries. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hamburger. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for ketchup. Ketchup. L is for lime. Lime. M is for milk. Milk. N is for nuggets. Nuggets. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pizza. Pizza. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for radish. Radish. S is for steak. T is for taco. Taco. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.